Do you want your garden to burst with color this fall? If you think the planting season ends with summer, think again. October is the perfect time for gardeners in Zone 8 to create stunning, colorful displays that last into the cooler months. Stick around, because today I'm sharing the best flowers to plant right now to transform your fall garden into a masterpiece. Hey there, garden lovers! Whether you're new to gardening or a pro, fall is the perfect season to add a splash of color. Many think their garden has to turn dull as the weather cools, but not in Zone 8. We enjoy mild fall weather, allowing us to plant amazing flowers that thrive. Today, I'm sharing my top picks for flowers that will not only survive, but thrive in October, giving your garden that bold, colorful look all season long. 1. Pansies. The perfect fall flower pansies are tough. They love cooler weather and bloom through fall and even into winter. They come in vibrant colors like purple, yellow, and red, perfect for borders or container gardens. Pro tip: plant them in full sun to partial shade and use well-drained soil. 2. Chrysanthemums, fall's showstopper mums, are the go-to-fall flower. They come in a range of colors, from bright yellows to rich burgundies, and bloom like crazy in cooler months. To keep them coming back, plant hardy mums, not the ones you find in grocery stores. 3. Snapdragons. Tall and bold bloom snapdragons add height and texture to your garden with their tall spikes. They handle light frost, so planting them in October gives them time to establish. They come in a variety of colors to mix and match with other flowers. 4. Violas. Small but mighty violas may look like smaller pansies, but they add bold color to your garden. Perfect for containers or ground cover, they're hardy and can handle light frosts, making them ideal for fall planting in Zone 8. 5. Ornamental kale, a leafy showstopper kale in a flower garden? Yeah! Ornamental kale adds bold color and texture with its purple, white, and green leaves. It thrives in cool temperatures and holds its color through fall and even into winter. 6. Asters. Late bloomers for fall color asters, with their daisy-like flowers, are perfect for adding late-season color in shades of purple, blue, and pink. They attract pollinators and bloom well into November. So, there you have it, my top picks for flowers to plant in October for a colorful fall garden. Pansies, mums, snapdragons, violas, ornamental kale, and asters will bring your garden to life into the cooler months. Don't wait, grab your gloves and transform your garden into a colorful oasis. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gardening tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your favorite fall flower to plant? See you in the next video.